What's up, guys? Hunter, you can say hi? You in a little house? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is going to be a vlog, but what I'm going to do is actually just show you guys some vlog footage and videos of stuff that I have been recording for the past few weeks. I haven't been vlogging. Much. That's probably very obvious because you haven't seen much vlogs of mine go up. I've just been super busy and working more. Obviously, I wish this was my background, but this is the people's house that I've been babysitting at, and then we have my nieces over, and it's been pretty fun. But I've just been pretty tired because I've been cleaning more houses and babysitting on top of that. So watching a kid that's not even a 1.5-year-old, well, she's like 18 months, I think, and then Hunter on top of it. So I have had my hands full for sure. But I've just been trying to keep on top of things. I haven't really been able to work out much, which kind of sucks. Because I've had no energy, and I don't like working out when I have no energy because then you can really hurt yourself. But I've still been losing weight because I've been keeping track of and like really watching what I've been eating, so that's really nice. But I'm gonna try to start vlogging more. Obviously it's so nice out today. It's supposed to be like 60, and there's my cute little boy. Hi, Bubba. But I really like wintertime. Kind of sucks because I don't really like having to just vlog inside, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna start trying to vlog out when we're outside, out and about and stuff. It's super nice. Finally got to put sunscreen on today. But say hello. He's playing with a little sink. Anyway, yeah, I'll show you guys some clips. I'll try to keep vlogging. Hopefully it's an interesting one for you guys. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, what's up? So today is actually a blizzard outside. This place is looking a little crazy, and I have been wanting to do something fun like this for Hunter for so long, so I just put up a little tent in his room, and I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully he's excited about it, so let's see. Made you something. Hunter, come on. Come on. This is a little tent. Bubba, hey. He has no idea. Look. Oh, Mama made you a tent. Are you excited? I swear he just said tent. It's your own little play area. You can go in there, play with your toys. Go check it out. Yeah, check it out. Uh-huh. You can go hop in. You want Mama to hop in? Look. Come on. Yeah, you can just step on in. You can crawl in. Come on, look. Mama's got your toys in here. Your dinosaur. We got some books. Yeah, what do you think? You gotta check it out first. Hey! I think he's excited. He just doesn't know how to react much. This is all yours. Yeah, so cool. Is it really blue in here? Because the tent is blue. Hey, where you going, Explorer? Where you going, Explorer? Just wanted to show you guys how cute it was. Hunter has been wanting to just fall asleep on my chest and in my arms lately, and it's just the sweetest thing ever. I know this is not going to last long. The stage he grows by. They grow up so fast, so I'm definitely soaking it all in. My child is crazy. He's trying to go through the bottom of the fence. Hey! No screaming. Hey, let's be appropriate. Oh, it's okay. You want some snacks? You want Mama to go get you some snacks? Look at that face.
Now it's your turn to bounce me. Whoa, that's a cool trick. What is stand up? Mama, watch.
See, that's nice of you. There you go.
Let's see it.
You bouncing, Hunter?
I guess he doesn't like it.
Yeah, he gets a little scared being too high. What you in there cooking, boy? Huh? What are you cooking? Can you say hi to everyone? Yeah, say hi. Wish we had one of these in our backyard. We might have to get one, huh? They're having fun over there, jumping on the trampoline. Good morning, guys. Hey, no. Don't let the doggy in, okay? We're gonna say, Hunter, can you say good morning? Hey, say good morning. I'm still wearing my pajamas. So is Ava. We're jumping on the trampoline. It is so nice out today. Today is supposed to be like 75. I look a hot mess. And I'm breaking out really bad. I usually don't break out like I've mentioned prior in videos. But hormonal breakouts, that's when I get stressed out a bit. I start breaking out. But I've done a few face masks. You guys will see some videos on those. And then today I'm going to do like a one for like stress and stuff probably. But yeah, like I said, it's the next day. Yesterday was pretty good, but honestly, man, I was so worn out when I got home yesterday. Watching 3 kids is nuts, and I'm doing it again today, but Hunter gets picked up from his dad at 1, so then I'll just have the 2 other kids. And we're probably going to go to Chick-fil-A, and I'm going to take them to like get lunch or something. So obviously today I'm like, I mean, it's still, I think almost 9 in the morning, but which is crazy to be outside at 9 in the morning because usually it's freaking cold out here, but right now it's like perfect. Yeah, these kind of days I don't even bother putting makeup on because you got 3 kids, 2 little kids under the age of 2 wanting to run around and stuff, and they probably want to get into my makeup. I don't even bother putting it on. So what are you doing? You play little house? I'm glad he's cheering up a bit because he was just getting pretty fussy. I think he's getting tired and ready for his nap time, but I thought I would take them outside to kind of wear them out before their nap because I like to nap when they nap. Hunter was up like every 45 minutes last night. I'm not sure what was up. I don't know if he was having bad dreams or if he was gassy or what, but anyway. What's the weather like where you guys live? Is it nice enough to go outside yet? Some of you guys don't even get cold weather like Colorado does. You're super freaking lucky. I just want to skip spring and go right to summer. Anyway, guys, I will probably end the vlog here just cause, and like I said before and previously in this vlog, that I'll probably start vlogging more often. You okay? Hopefully I don't look a hot mess every time that I do. But this is kind of like everyday life. You guys see me in what I do. That's kind of like why I like to vlog and I love watching vlogs. It's because it's kind of like you guys are hanging out with me. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. So if you guys do enjoy my vlogs, be sure to let me know down below, especially if you want to have me vlog more often. But be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out when I upload next. Also, subscribe, and Hunter and I will see you next time. You say bye-bye? Bye-bye.